US. Imagine instead of sending a person up there, you have a drone that comes and takes that information from those towers and then sends that to the cloud. So I think it's more the drone from the hardware perspective, yes, but it's more of a software conversation, it's more of a cloud conversation. I think the hardware is a way in, but what we're getting to is getting to places where we can collect data, process that data and store it in ways that companies haven't been able to do before.
Again, reading the human mind. So at some point, the models are only so good. The decision point of recommendation or what should you do is left onto the humans. So figuring out an algorithm based on, many of the neuroscientists are working on it, how does the human behavior, and is that predictable? So what Frank is thinking right now versus what I'm thinking and you're thinking, is that going to be same at some point if we three are in the decision making? So I think some of that scientifically is going to be a very important journey going forward.
Number one, you have to be looking to solve a fundamental business problem and then understanding what's the technology I have, whether it's cutting edge or bleeding edge to solve that. Go back to IoT.
Right.
And there's some practical things that you can solve, right? So you think of things like Nest as an example. I mean, you can really tune keeping your home or facility at the proper level and really look at trending and ultimately lower the consumption of electricity. And then you have some analytics that can be done on the higher end, right, in terms of just really understanding what's happening at a macro level.